Let's look at inverse functions. Now, what is an inverse function? An inverse function is a function which reverses or undoes another function. So, for example, to write the inverse of function f, this is denoted. So the inverse of this is denoted as f to power -1. So that's how you write the inverse of a function. Now, to find an inverse function, we need to rewrite the function using y as the unknown variable and set the function equal to x. Then we rearrange the functions to make y the subject and then write the function using the inverse function notation. For example, if you are told to find the inverse of f of x is equals to 5x plus 3. So first of all, what we do is we let this function of x to be equals to y. So f of x will be equals to y, which will be equals to 5x plus 3. Now the next step is to interchange x and y. They switch places. Since we have y is equals to this, so we shall have here, it will be x is equals to 5y plus 3. And so you solve for y, you make y the subject. So here we shall have 5y will be equals to x minus 3. Divide both sides by 5, and therefore y will be equals to x minus 3 over 5. So now this here is the inverse of this function. Therefore, the inverse function will be equals to x minus 3 over 5. So this is the function 5x plus 3 and its inverse is x minus 3 over 5. So that's how you find the inverse of a function. So inverse functions can be used to find unknown angles in a triangle using trigonometry. They can also be used to solve equations or find missing x values, for example, on a graph, if we know the y values. Let's look at another example. If f of x is equals to 3x minus 7, find the inverse of f of x. So first, we let this function of x be equals to y. So it will be y is equals to 3x minus 7. After that, we interchange. Where there is y, you put x, and where there is x, you put y. They switch places. So this will be x is equals to 3y minus 7. Then you solve for y. Our intention is to find y. So we shall have x plus 7 is equals to 3y. Therefore, 3y is equals to x plus 7 divided by 3 by 3. This cancels, and therefore y is equals to x plus 7 over 3. So this is the inverse of this function, f of x. Therefore, f inverse of x is equals to x plus 7 over 3. So that's how you find the inverse. Let's look at another example. Find the inverse of h of x is equals to x plus 4 over 2x minus 5. First, what you do is you replace h of x with y. So we shall have y is equals to x plus 4 over 2x minus 5. The next step is you interchange. Where there is x, you put y, and where there is y, you put x. So they interchange places. So we shall have x is equals to y plus 4 over 2y minus 5. And therefore, we need to solve for y. So this is over 1, we cross multiply, and this will be equals to x into 2y minus 5 is equals to y plus 4. So this will be, we open brackets, x times 2y becomes 2xy minus 5 times x is 5x is equals to y plus 4. So we make the y values be on one side and the x values on one side. So we shall have 2xy minus y being equals to, when this crosses this side, it becomes 5x plus 4. And therefore, here we make y the subject, so we shall have y into 2x minus 1 is equals to 5x plus 4. Divide both sides by 2x minus 1. This side also by 2x minus 1. This cancels out with this. So y is equals to 5x plus 4 over 2x minus 1. Therefore, this is the inverse. So the inverse of h of x is equals to 5x plus 4 over 2x minus 1. So that's how you find the inverse. Let's look at the last example. If g of x is equals to 9 minus x over 2, find the inverse of g of x. So first what we do is we equate g of x to y. So this will be equals to y is equals to 9 minus x over 2. Then y and x switch places. So this will be x is equals to 9 minus y over 2. Now we need to solve for y. So we shall have, when y comes this side, it will be y over 2 is equals to 9 minus x. Then we need to multiply both sides by 2 by 2. So this cancels out with this, and therefore y is equals to 2 into 9 minus x. When we open brackets, y will be equals to 2 times 9 is 18 minus 2 times x is 2x. Therefore, this is the inverse of g of x. Therefore, the inverse of g of x is equals to 18 minus 2x. Hope you've understood all the steps and what you need to do. So that's how you solve for inverse functions. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you have any query, you can state it in the comment section down below. Also, subscribe because it's completely free of charge, as I always tell you. Kindly subscribe if you're new here. Then, let us know what you think of our videos. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.